and good morning, guys. How are you all? Today, this is my first educational video. So, I'll start with the name of Allah. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. I'll start with the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Today, I'm covering a topic that is literary devices. First, I'll give my introduction. I am Mohammad Saleh Shafi and I am the owner of the channel Kit Pro Max. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like this video. Now, I'll start by simile. A simile is a figure of speech that compares two different things using the word like or as to highlight similarities. It's often used to create vivid imagery or to make a description more expressive. For example, her smile was as bright as the sun. This compares her smile to the brightness of sun, emphasizing how radiant and warm it is. He was as fast as a cheetah. This suggests he runs very quickly, comparing his speed to that of a cheetah. Similes are common in poetry, storytelling, and everyday language because they can make descriptions more striking or relatable. Now I'll cover metaphor. A metaphor is a figure of speech that describes an object or action as something other than what it is, highlighting similarities between two unrelated things. Instead of saying something is like something else, which would be a simile, a metaphor asserts that something is something else, offering a more direct comparison. For example, time is a thief. This metaphor suggests that time, like a thief, steals our moments from our lives. Metaphors are often used to add depth, emotion, or clarity to writing by connecting abstract ideas to more familiar, concrete images. Onomatopoeia. Onomatopoeia refers to words that imitate or resemble the sound they represent. These sound words help bring language to life by mimicking natural sounds, making descriptions more vivid and sensory rich. For example, buzz, the sound of a bee or an insect. Crash, the sound of something breaking. Splash, the sound of something hitting water. Tick tock, the sound of a clock. Boom, the sound of an explosion or thunder. Onomatopoeic words are often used in literature, poetry, and comics to enhance the auditory experience of the reader and evoke specific sensory images. Hyperbole. Hyperbole is an exaggerated way of expressing something to be emphasize a point or create a dramatic effect. It's not meant to be taken literally, but it is used to highlight the intensity or significance of an idea. Examples of hyperbole. I am so hungry I could eat a horse. I have told you a million times. This bag weighs a ton. Her smile could light up the whole world. Hyperbole is common in everyday speech, literature and poetry, and it helps add emphasis, humor or emotion to language. Conclusion. In conclusion, literary devices like simile, metaphor, and hyperbole are essential for enriching language. They help create vivid imagery, convey emotions, add depth and meaning, and make writing more engaging and memorable. These tools transform simple expressions into powerful, impactful communication, allowing writers to connect with their audience on a deeper level. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So I'll meet you in my another vlog. Okay, Allah Hafiz.